Hey everybody, it's your girl Bev and I'm back with another planner related video. If this is your first time here, welcome. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way anytime I post a video, you will know. So it's time for my B6 plan with me for the week, guys. And I'm going to be using my squad goals. No, this is color story, but it has squad goals in it. And I picked up a lot of my little icons and stuff. That's Sister Rama from Michelle's shop. You know, I picked up this, but I don't think I'm going to add it because of the squad goal girls. I picked this up so I could put my cat on my spread. And this is Grace, aka me. This is also from Michelle's shop. And if you use my code BEV20, let me show you what you get. Bam. Look, y'all. Isn't that so cute? You'll get my little sampler when you use my code BEV20 in Michelle's shop, VimVonelli.com. So I had just got an order from her. This is the July freebie. Let me make sure I'm in frame. This is the July freebie, guys. Isn't that beautiful? And of course, here's her information. And I got this Bible die cut. I got some Sister Rama because I didn't have any stickers. I just had the die cuts. I got some icons because I love Michelle's icons. I got this I am here. This is all the different sayings. Oh my goodness. I am here. Come and I will give you rest. Commune with me. Give me your burdens. Cast your cares on me. Seek me and find me. Take my hand. Fantastic. Then she has fill me up. I live to worship you. My soul says yes. Fill me up in worship. So I got those. And I got the stickers of the Fire Bible die cut. I got one of these. I meant to get the laying down one, but I made a mistake. And I got these two kits. These are $2 kits in her shop, Love and Gentleness. So if you want those, they also come with their date dots. And she sent me these because she has Thankful Thursdays on her channel where she builds wall binders and does a giveaway to give them to one of her subscribers. So if you want to get a Thankful Thursday wall binder, you have to be there, participate, and maybe you'll be the lucky person. So I just want to start by putting the date dots down and everything like that. So of course oh, here's my tweezer. I was about to say I lost my tweezer. What is today? Date? I don't even know the date, y'all. Yes, I do. So I'm just gonna lay this down for the week of the 20th through the 27th, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm excited. I haven't really been using my certain Happy Planner sticker books, you know. I'm getting ready to pull my Happy Planner back out. Just one of them, though. For a specific need. I don't know if I'm going to do videos for it because I kind of got my slots, you know, already ready. So to the 26th, not the 27th. Alright, so then I just want to open this. So you guys, this is cute. Good vibes only. Let's see. that's what I need right away on my planner. Good vibes only. That's how you start your week out, right? I'm gonna put it all the way up to there. And do all the things. I'm gonna put that on Friday. Yes. Life is lovely. These are the days. Make it happen. I'm gonna use make it happen. Because we gotta make things happen, guys. Yes, we do. Okay. Right? So, I like this to be like, let me see. I think I may cut it. And put it on 2 days. We share stickers, guys. That's what we do. That's what we do. Right? Then this way, I could put some friends on top of it. Look at them eating their ice cream. Right? Caught in a dream. I like that. These are the monthly stickers. When they have the little corner missing, it's like for the monthly setup. But y'all, why the devil is busy? My camera just stopped for whatever reason. I don't like that. Don't like it. Okay, so I wanted to use, of course, one of these Fire Bible stickers because, listen, for War Bible Wednesday, for my mom's Bible study, and for church. See, I'm gonna have to order me some more because I'm already using them up, Jesus. So, let me, my War Bible Wednesday sticker and my church sticker. I'm gonna put church flow. Church flow. Bam. Then I have my War Bible Wednesday sticker. I always cut it. Like that. That way I can lay it down more effectively in a smaller space. All right. So I wanted to put my devotional affirmations. Gotta be gentle. Uh-oh. Don't be sticking wrong. Okay, and prayer. I'll put prayer there. Just reminders of things that I want to do. And I also want to put my cat here because he's always around when I'm filming. That's Big Fat. That's my cat name is Big Fat. Okay, so he's adorable. Choose happy today. I don't think I got any room for that. I'll put it on my next spread. This is my spread, guys. If you made it this far and you enjoyed the video, go ahead, give me a big thumbs up. Again, my name is Beverly and the channel is She Loves Planners and Crafting, and I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Bye.